Here's how to change your default search engine in Google Chrome. So currently my Chrome search engine is already Google, but if it's Yahoo or Microsoft Edge in your case, and you search for anything over here, it will instantly use the engine that you've selected. So if you prefer Google or any other option, this guide will help you to see how to change it. So you can also change what page opens when you first open the Chrome. To start, go to the top right corner of the Chrome and click on the three dots. Then tap on Settings. Now go to Search Engine, that is between Appearance and Default Browser. Here tap on Change and then select your desired search engine and tap on Set as Default. You can also tap on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Now in the search engine section, you'll see options like Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Yandex, Yahoo, and more. Tap on the three dot beside the search engine that you want to set as default, and there tap on Make Default and you'll be done. And after applying, if you close and reopen Chrome, you will see that the desired search engine is applied in your web browser. So that's how you successfully change the default search engine. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.